Ever heard of Raiz and wondered how it all works? You're not alone. A lot of people are curious about this investing app, but one question keeps popping up: is Raiz actually a brokerage? Let's break it down. At its core, Raiz is an investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly. You can link your bank account and set up automated micro-investments, think spare change rounding up to the nearest dollar. It's designed to be super easy and accessible, which is a big part of its appeal. Now, here's where things get interesting. While Raiz offers investment options, it doesn't operate exactly like a traditional brokerage in a few key ways. Focus on micro-investing. Raiz specializes in making investing effortless. You're not dealing with complex trades or high minimum investment amounts. It's all about those small, consistent contributions, making it perfect for beginners or those who want to start investing without a huge initial outlay. Automated investing. Raiz leans heavily on automation. You set it up once, and the app does the rest. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is a major differentiator and a key reason why it's so popular. Investment options. While Raiz offers a variety of investment options, such as ETFs, exchange-traded funds, it doesn't give you the same level of control as a full-fledged brokerage. You're not picking individual stocks or actively trading. Fees. Raiz typically charges a small management fee. This fee structure differs from traditional brokerages that might charge transaction fees or commissions on trades. So, is Raiz a brokerage? Technically, yes, in the sense that it facilitates investment transactions. However, it's not a traditional brokerage in the way most people understand the term. It's more like a specialized platform designed for automated, micro-investing. Benefits of using Raiz. Accessibility makes investing incredibly easy and accessible for everyone. Affordability, ideal for those starting with small amounts of money. Simplicity, automated investing takes the guesswork out of it. Potential for growth, consistent micro-investing can lead to significant returns over time. Limited control, you have less control over your investments compared to a full-service brokerage. Fees, while generally low, fees can impact your overall returns. Investment options may not be suitable for everyone's investment goals. Ultimately, whether Raiz is the right investment platform for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple, automated way to start investing with small amounts of money, Raiz could be a great option. However, if you prefer more control over your investments or are seeking more advanced trading features, a traditional brokerage might be a better fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.